Are you searching for a tool to restore corrupt or lost data from your system hard drive? Or from various other external storage devices, which you depend the most? We brings you the best solution. SysTools Hard Drive Data Recovery Software. Now let's check out the main features of the software. Our software recovers and saves permanently deleted, internal and external files and folders. The tool supports formatted and corrupted data recovery from FAT, exFAT and NTFS file systems. Also performs quick data recovery from IDE, EIDE and SATA devices. And also helps you recover all your precious documents, photos, videos, etc. Also helps you recover lost data due to MFT, MBR or FAT corruption. Now let's check out the prerequisites before installing the software. If you are using any of the Windows versions mentioned here, then launch the tool as Run as Administrator. Now let's install and run the software. Now in the home screen, all the available storage devices attached to the machine, including internal, and if any external storage devices, will be displayed. And the specific partition details can be seen at the right side panel. Also there is the refresh view option on top to detect any newly attached external storage devices. The software provides two main options to recover data. Choose Scan option to recover soft deleted and hard deleted data. And the Formatted Scan option helps you recover formatted data from any desired partition. Now let's choose the Scan option. Now you can see a small window appears. You can click Yes to load from previous scan. Otherwise click No to proceed. Now you can see the software will start reading the data. After successfully reading the data, you can see the folder tree appears on the left. It displays all the available internal or external storage devices attached to the machine. Here you can see the folders with data will be shown in bold. You can click any folder of your choice to preview its details. And the software also generates a folder in which the soft deleted data from the recycle bin will appear. Here you can see all the deleted data will appear in red. And navigate to the top to see the orphan folder in which all the permanently deleted data will be stored. You can also sort data according to name, created date, and other options as well. Now select the desired files by checking the box option. Then right-click on any file and click Save button to initiate the process of recovering permanently deleted data. The software also provides the search option to search any particular file or files by applying different filter options. Here you can apply different filter options from the drop-down. Also there is the date filter option to filter files according to certain date range. Make sure that any of the desired folder or folders are selected before applying the filter options. Then there is the search option field, in which you can search for any particular file name or file extensions, and click Search button. Now you can see the particular file or files will appear. Now if you click Search button without entering any text in the field, all the files, with other filter options applied, will appear. After choosing the desired files, choose the Save button on top to proceed. You can select the Make New Folder option to create a new folder to save the output files. Then click OK. Now you can see the exporting process. After the process completes successfully, click OK. Then you can see the output files in the destination folder you have chosen. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Log on to the given product page for more details and purchasing the product. For any query, mail us to support@systoolsgroup.com. Thank you for watching.